Understanding bank transfers, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of bank transfers. This is a common financial term that you might encounter in everyday life, especially when dealing with money. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used. A bank transfer is a method of sending money from one bank account to another. It's a secure way of transferring funds without the need for physical cash. People use bank transfers for various reasons like paying bills, sending money to family, or purchasing items online. It's important to understand that during a bank transfer, the money does not move physically. Instead, it's an electronic process. There are mainly two types of bank transfers. 1. Domestic transfers. These are transfers within the same country. They are usually faster and can happen within the same day or a few hours. 2. International transfers. These involve sending money across different countries. They can take several days due to different banking systems and regulations. Each type has its own procedures, fees, and time frames. Making a bank transfer involves a few steps. 1. Accessing your bank account. This can be done online, via a mobile app, or in a physical bank branch. 2. Entering details. You need the recipient's bank account number, bank name, and sometimes a routing number. 3. Specifying the amount. Decide how much money you want to transfer. 4. Authorization. Finally, you'll review the details and authorize the transfer. It's crucial to double-check all information to avoid errors. Bank transfers are generally safe, but it's important to be cautious. Verify the recipient's details. Ensure the account you're sending to is correct. Keep transaction records. Always save a receipt or confirmation number. Be aware of scams. Never transfer money to unknown or unverified accounts. I hope this video has helped clarify what a bank transfer is and how it works. Remember, understanding these financial concepts is a big step in mastering the English language, especially in practical, everyday use. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.